This is Professor Darif Science. Box and whisker plot. The data for this box and whisker plot is in this first column over here in the blue cells. You have to enter that. Goes through row 23, starts in row 2, 22 data items. And to create this plot, you have to highlight the items, select them, and then insert right here, insert statistics chart, and then pick this box and whisker plot. I'm not going to do that because I already did it. It's already been inserted. When you click, select the plot, the chart, it selects the corresponding data that was used to create it over here. And you can see it matches. The default version, the box, is blue and you can't really see this line here at 221.5. I took this chart elements and used these selections. In particular, data labels is put these data values in there, the 5 numbers that define the plot. And also this style here, I didn't pick the default style, I picked this next one down here. You can see the difference. The dark blue is very difficult to see. This one is much easier to read. Hit escape, get out of there. And separately, independently, this spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, includes Q1, Q2, and Q3 functions. However, notice, in order to match what is used in the box and whisker plot, when it is created, in order to match those values, you have to use the exclude EXC versions of the quartile functions. So quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3 exclude versions. And the difference between the include and the exclude versions has to do with how the percentiles are based, whether they're based on a conceptual interview of 0 to 1, including 0 and 1, or 0 to 1, excluding 0 and 1. And you can see the values here, and then the interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1, 150.5. And this box, it has a scale over here that matches the data, the vertical scale. The 111 is the lowest value in the data. The 439 is the highest down there. And here's the 3 quartiles, Q1, Q2, and Q3. And this gives you an idea about the distribution of the data in this kind of a chart.